Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to start by opening the Amazon Seller app. Go ahead and click on that right there. Then we're going to go to the top left hand where we've got the three little bars right there. And then this will pull up a new menu. And then we're going to go to the little gear icon in the top right hand corner. And this will bring us to the settings menu. Click on that. And then this is the account settings menu. And then second from the bottom, we've got language, English. So what if I want to, I don't know, let's say if we have this in Spanish, put it in Espanol, and then everything is in Espanol. Not really sure why you'd want to change this. Maybe you speak more than one language, or maybe you just want to see it in another language. That's up to you. But to reverse it, it's the same way. Just click on the top three up there, click on the little gearbox, and then go all the way back down, second from the bottom, click Idioma, and change it back to English or Dutch or whichever language you like. So that's it, and pretty quick and easy. Hopefully this helped. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.